Crappie. Itty bitty little crappie. Yeah. Long way to go, buddy. Get up in this stuff, huh? Water cruising. Hey guys, welcome back to Fx4 Outdoors. So I'm out here doing a little smoking and wanted to talk to you guys really quick about probably the most versatile bait that I use that I think is perfect for beginners. And that bait is the spinnerbait. For anybody just trying to get into bass fishing and looking to do some pond fishing, excellent for pond fishing, boating, this is a great lure to use. And one of the biggest reasons why it's so good to use is it's so versatile, and the idea that you can fish it deep, you can fish it shallow, you can fish it close to the bank, you can fish it off the bank, you can run this sucker across boat docks. You know, whatever it is that you feel that those fish are doing, this bait can help you get there. Now, there's different series and variations of this particular bait. Obviously, the weight and the size of the weight that you have, and then you have your blade configurations. This one here is known as a bit of a Indiana blade, so it's not quite a Colorado, which is more rounded. This is more teardropped, and then you've got a willow leaf, which is much longer and extended, and I can do a video on those. But pretty much at least what I feel is important: dark, murky water, low light conditions. You want either an Indiana blade or a Colorado blade. You want a lot more vibration in that water in order for those fish to key in on that bait. If you're looking to wake a bait, so with a Colorado or an Indiana blade, you can actually work this bait just under the surface of the water where it creates just a little bit of a wake. In the video I'm going to show you guys here shortly, I was getting hits on this bait just off of a grass line on a pond, and I was missing the strike. But as soon as I waked that bait, where I was creating that little bit of a wake, the fish hit it. So those are that's very easily done with an Indiana blade or a Colorado blade. Willow leaf, I like to use those blades much longer, and typically I want those to be a silver to offer more flash. Those I'll use in clear water. But again, very versatile. The colors, again, murky water, you're gonna go with your bluegill or chartreuse colors. Your June bugs, your blues, your blacks. Low light conditions, I know a lot of guys that'll throw these at night. When they're night fishing, they'll go all black with a large black Colorado blade. For your clear water, obviously you can play around a little bit more. I do have success on chartreuse and clear water, but most of the time I'm going to a Strike King calls it their sexy shad color. Your silvers, your blues, your whites, your grays. Those are the ones that I'll be throwing in clear water. So this bait really picks up in early spring. This is one of the first baits that I'll use in early spring. I'll fish it year round on windy days, windy points, windy banks. And the video I'm about to show you guys, we had an instance where a front came in. Wind picked up, and on this lake/pond that I was fishing, I had a lot of wind current going across the bank, and I threw plastics, I threw swim baits. This was the bait of choice. I didn't catch anything real large, but this is what I got my strikes on. So again, if you're just beginning to go to artificial bass fishing, I recommend the spinnerbait. Let's take a look at that footage. There's a fish. Little guy. Nothing huge. But still, a little fish. Thanks, buddy. Hey, bud. Take off, Moser. Oh my gosh, what the heck did you do? Just like totally missed a fish, dude. Oh, he came up and just hammered it. Just came up and hammered that little thing. Thank you, buddy. There's one. They are all the same size. Might be a little bigger. There we go. Come here, buddy. There we go. That's a little bigger. Thank you. Here we got one more over yonder. Oh, come on. Gotta be something. He hit it that time. Oh, not bad. All it took was a little awaken. That bait. Is there anything else over there? Keep that bait waking. Can't get something else to do it. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, to close this out on spinnerbaits, here again. Here's the one that was shot in the video. Chartreuse. It's got the Indiana blade on it. All right. Now you compare that to a Colorado. So this is like one of those night baits I talked about, all black, large, rounded blade. See the difference there? And then you've got your willow leaf. Much thinner, longer. This one actually has two. A lot more flash, less vibration. Here's one of those bluegill. Bluish and white colors. Very versatile. 3 different series. You've got different blade configurations and colors that you can go with. Really, you guys don't have to tweak much when you buy a spinnerbait from the package. One thing that some guys do, especially night fishing, you can put a trailer hook on it. Okay, so if you feel that you're missing some of those strikes and they're not getting up to the hook, throw a trailer hook on it, and you can also throw some trailers off the hook just to give it a little bit more vibration, a little bit more look to it. Thanks for watching. If you guys please would hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If there's anything else you guys want me to cover, please notate that in the comments below. Here, Fishy. See you on the water.